All right, Georgia Sports Cards here. We're going to do Topps Chrome 2016 Jumbos Baseball. Good luck, man. Sportsnut627. Jumbos. We got Mike Trout, Joey Gallo, Carlos Correa, Baumgartner, Zobrist, and a redemption. Good luck. Rookie autograph of Henry Owens for the Red Sox. Henry Owens. Tulo, Lackey, Franco, and Robert Stevenson Purple Refractor. That is numbered 253 of 275. LeMahieu, Chris Davis, and Blue Cespedes. That is numbered 77 of 150. Harbaugh. Got another redemption in there? Maybe. Yadier Molina, we do. Good luck. Rookie autograph refractor of nice Trevor Story. Trevor Story refractor autograph.
Some people aren't given the same rights, aren't given the same opportunities as others, and that's really what the issue
is. Shields, Corey Seager, Tanaka.
I've seen my team grow a lot this week. And
Sano, Bautista, Jock Peterson, and nice Max Kepler for the Indians. Max Kepler, nice box so far.
We just assume things based on race, based on where you're from, based on what I've heard your past is. And we can't
Byung-Ho, Aaron Nola, Almonte, and Michael Reed. Blue refractor autograph, Michael Reed. Is 16 of 150. Schwarber, Altuve, Porzingis, Osuna, Turner, Thompson, and Sampson for the Reds. Keith Sampson for the Reds. McCutchen, David Wright, Maeda, Christian Yelich Gold, 16 of 50. Murphy, Sano, And that was Topps Chrome, man. Nice little box of Chrome.